award-winning interior designer Patricia Davis Brown speaking to you for ehow.com. And today we're going to talk about lighting fixtures for kids' rooms. One thing you got to think about is the age of the child. If you're dealing with very young children or toddlers, you want to take into consideration safety issues. A lot of people, you'll see themed lamps that are tabletop lamps, but what can happen there is a child can pull on the cord and it can topple down and either burn the child or hurt the child. So we like to consider lighting from the ceiling, such as with this fixture, and this is a plain motif, but you can also get astronauts and all kinds of things for themes, clowns, but it's a good way to decorate, but it's also safe general lighting. You can also light with sconces, which also come with themes or not, but the vertical wall being lit, once again, is not a safety issue. And as the child gets older, sconces is another way to light if you're dealing with watching television or even working on a computer screen, because it doesn't put a direct light hitting that screen, which would cause glare. Now, if a child's going to be doing homework or crafts, here is another really nice fixture that attaches to the wall, but it's directional. So you can direct it to a book or even doing crafts. And it comes in great finishes, more than just one finish. Here's a couple. This is a bronze finish. The other one was a brushed nickel finish. These fixtures, this would be Elk Lighting here, and this is by Bruck Lighting. We found them on pdbhomestore.com, which has a lot of home decor for children's spaces. And I think that when lighting with decorative lighting for children's spaces, you can kind of color outside the box. We also found some lit furniture, which makes it really fun, and they come in every color of the rainbow, and they're from a company called Zuos. Once again, can be found on pdbhomestore.com. So have fun when you're lighting for kids' rooms, and remember, if you need more design tips, don't forget my blog, digthisdesign.net, about all things design.